3:21 p.m., and you're one click away from that dream credit card. Cash back, travel perks, the works. When a gut punch hits, every application could slash your credit score across multiple bureaus, tanking your approval odds. But what if you could target cards that only check Equifax, leaving your Experian and TransUnion reports pristine? That's not a hack. It's a legal, data-backed strategy to build credit smarter. Welcome to Paddedvibez, where I'm unveiling 6 credit cards known to pull Equifax in 2025, plus a step-by-step game plan to confirm pulls without risking your score. If this sounds like your ticket to credit freedom, smash that like button to boost this video's reach, and stick till the end for a ninja pre-approval hack that could save you hundreds of points. Let's master your credit game. Before we dive into the cards, let's decode why bureau pulls are your credit's hidden puppet strings. The U.S. has 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. When you apply for a card, issuers pull your report from one or more, triggering a hard inquiry that can drop your score by 5 to 10 points for up to 6 months. Too many inquiries, your approval odds plummet. In 2025, Equifax is a go-to for many issuers because it's often less flooded with inquiries, especially if you've been shopping cards. Why care? If your Equifax report shines, say, a 700 score, but Experian's shaky at 620, targeting Equifax-only cards boosts your odds without burning other bureaus. I've scoured forums like Reddit's r/credit cards and sites like Doctor of Credit to confirm patterns. Equifax polls are strategic gold for savvy applicants. What's your credit score goal? 700, 750, or higher? Drop it in the comments and let's map your path together. So why zero in on Equifax-only cards? It's all about strategy. If you're building credit or chasing multiple cards, like one for rewards, another for business, you can spread inquiries across bureaus to avoid overloading any one. Picture this. Apply for an Equifax pulling card today, then an Experian one next month. No bureau looks over-inquired, keeping your score steady and approvals high. Plus, if your Equifax report is your strongest, maybe from consistent payments but weaker elsewhere, these cards are your approval sweet spot. Data from Help Me Build Credit shows applicants with 680-plus Equifax scores snag better rates on single bureau pulls. This isn't gaming the system, it's playing smart with public data. Ever been denied a card? Share your story below and let's flip that script. Here's the meat. 6 credit cards consistently reported to pull Equifax in 2025, based on verified sources like Doctor of Credit, eCredible Business Reports, and Reddit's r/credit cards. Big disclaimer, pulls aren't fixed, they vary by state, card type, and your history. Always confirm before applying. Let's roll. Citi's a heavy hitter, often pulling Equifax for personal cards like Citi Custom Cash, Double Cash, and Premier in states like New York and Texas. Reddit data points show 70% Equifax pulls for 2025 applications, though some regions see Experian. Pro tip, use Citi's pre-approval tool online to check eligibility without a hit. Truist business cards like the Business Cash Rewards lean hard on Equifax, especially in the Southeast. Think Georgia, Florida. eCredible reports 80% Equifax pulls for business applicants. Perfect for small biz owners keeping personal and business credit separate. Citizens Bank loves Equifax for its small business cards, ideal for freelancers or side hustlers. Data from Doctor of Credit confirms frequent Equifax pulls in states like Massachusetts. Great for isolating business credit inquiries. DCU, a credit union, is a gem, often pulling Equifax for personal and business cards nationwide. Reddit threads praise its predictability, especially for 650-plus scores. Join the credit union to access solid rates. Langley's Platinum Visa is a fan favorite, almost exclusively pulling Equifax. Known for low rates, it's a win for members with 670-plus scores. Check membership eligibility online. PNC and Fifth Third often pull Equifax in states like Ohio and Pennsylvania, especially for existing customers. Doctor of Credit notes 60% Equifax pulls for 2025. Call to confirm for your zip code. Tried any of these? Which card's on your radar? Drop it below and like if this list is sparking your next move. Don't roll the dice on your credit. Here's how to verify Equifax pulls before hit apply. Step 1, use pre-approval tools. Most banks, like Citi, offer online checkers that show eligibility without hard pulls. Step 2, dive into real-time data on drofcredit.com or Reddit's r/credit cards. Users post state-specific pull reports daily. Step 3, call the issuer and ask, which bureau do you pull for my state? Be polite, they'll often spill. Step 4, test with caution. Freeze Experian and TransUnion temporarily. If approved, it's likely Equifax. But don't overdo freezes, they can flag denials. I've used Doctor of Credit to nail pulls in my state, saving my score. What's your state? NY, TX, CA? Comment it, and I'll hunt to local data points. Let's dodge the traps. Myth 1. You can't trick banks into a specific bureau. It's automated by region. Myth 2. Don't spam applications to test pulls. It hammers your score. Myth 3. Steer clear of credit bureau manipulation services. They're scams and break U.S. lending laws. Stick to verified data and legit strategies to stay safe. Ever fall for a credit myth? Share below and let's debunk it together. Here's your 2025 credit playbook. Build a card list by bureau. Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Space applications 30 to 45 days apart to minimize score hits. Use cards responsibly. Pay on time, keep balances low. Monitor all 3 reports with free tools like Credit Karma or Experian Free Score. This maximizes approvals, protects your score, and grows limits faster. 100% legal, 100% smart. I've boosted my limit by 20% this way. What's your credit strategy? Rewards or rebuilding? Drop it below and share this video to help a friend level up. Equifax-only cards aren't a secret trick. They're a strategic edge for building credit right. If this guide powered your plan, hit like, subscribe for weekly finance vibes, and check the description for Doctor of Credit's pull list and Equifax monitoring links. Want a video on TransUnion or Experian pulls? Say so in the comments. Bonus hack. Stack pre-approvals with a soft pull card like Discover It. Check eligibility monthly without dinks. Comment Credit Vibes for a free bureau pull checklist emailed to the first 50. Grab it now. Thanks for vibing with Paddedvibez. Stay smart, stay thriving. See you next time. Up next, best credit cards that approve with no hard inquiry. Click to keep your score soaring.